it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1967 Jaguar E-Type 4.2 Series 1 Roadster. It's finished in pale primrose with a beige interior, tan top, and black cloth top boot, 4-speed chrome wire wheels. Matching number car, very, very nice car that we just purchased out of a collection from Colorado. It had a pretty much a ground-up restoration, older restoration, probably in the late 90s. But because the gentleman had 5 cars in his car collection, just got minimal use, just minimal use with regular care and attention. So today it is still showing very, very nicely, really good paint, great chrome work, super nice wheels and pretty good tires still, good gaps. When it was restored, it was a full cosmetic mechanical restoration, so rebuilt engine, but yeah, really good gaps. We're going to do a little bit of work and fine tune the trunk fit, the doors, get those absolutely on the button so they fit brilliantly. Pretty simple to do on these cars, but you can tell here, really nice bulkhead gap, really good door fit. But matching number head, block, original VIN plate, super nicely mellowed, Series 1 Roadster. So yeah, if you look at the market right now, there's some really lovely cars up in that high ones, around the 200 maybe. For a project you can pay $75,000. So this car represents great value because it's just an older ground up with a very thick file of receipts. I believe this is the original color. We've got the Heritage on order, so we're going to see how this car was born. But I have a really good feeling that it was born in these colors because the owner restorer was very, very meticulous about his cars being original and being painted their original color. So lovely exterior cosmetics, still showing really, really well. Interior wise, this looks like it had a complete retrim at the time of the restoration. So you can see very nice door panels, perfect dashboard, excellent original steering wheel, beautifully worn in, just nicely mellowed leather. Series 1 4.2 seats there. Carpets are older, showing some very light stain from age. Still in excellent order all the way around. Really nice fitting mohair or cloth top boot in black with beige beading there, which looks really, really nice. This car's fitted with a new tan or a tan top, but pale primrose. You can see all the windshield glass is excellent. Rubber chrome works great. Rear bumper fit is really lovely. Like I said, we're going to be adjusting that trunk lid soon as our new trunk seal comes in. We're going to be posting some undercarriage pictures of this car and driving video. These are really nice door panels. And you can see both seats are just kind of nicely mellowed in at the same rate here. So let's take a look at the engine bay. The engine bay on this car is quite nice. Very nicely detailed with a lot of accurate fittings and original equipment. So beautiful engine compartment, very nicely detailed. There's a file folder provided with this car, tons and tons of receipts and maintenance from the restoration, and engine was completely rebuilt. Suspension was completely done. You can see this is a no-hit bonnet. Really nice, where it's never been smacked in the nose. Really great fit. Original Lucas decal battery there. But beautiful matching numbers. 4.2 liter twin cam engine. And just shut this here. So yeah, pretty easily, nicely fitting hood with good gaps. But like I said, we are going to go around the car panel by panel and just critique them and get them absolutely perfectly aligning. But yeah, really lovely turnkey car. Speedometer shows, I believe, 109,000. But full restoration, full older restoration completed, kind of the late 90s. But there it is, beautiful Series 1, 4.2 liter Series 1 E-Type Roadster, finished in its pale primrose yellow, beige upholstery, tan top, black cloth top boot, 4-speed, chrome wire wheels, triple carbs, toggle switches, enclosed headlamps, super nice older restoration. We're going to be posting a driving video shortly, and have a look at those undercarriage photos in the next few days. We're going to be posting beautiful turnkey Series 1 E-Type Roadster for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.